We've been having heat advisories in our area, and our old window unit isn't cutting it anymore. So today, we're setting up a heavy-duty, portable AC unit to help keep us cool through these hot months. And this 14,000 BTU AC unit from Joy Pebble comes shipped to your door, ready to cool your area as well. Inside the box, you have your vent adapters, your expandable vent, a window track, a bag containing your instructions, hose, and remote, and then your air conditioning unit. The smallest windows that it will work with are 2 foot 1 inch, and the largest it can fit is 4 foot 1 inch. This means it can work in both horizontal and vertical windows. So to get started, grab your window track and nut locks and connect those together. Slide it into the window, make any adjustments you need, then tighten it down the rest of the way, and then close the window onto the track. Put in the vent adapter to the back of the AC unit, and then take the vent and expand it. Twist it to lock into the vent adapter on the AC unit. Then connect the other adapter to the end of the vent. Then you can push to snap it into the window track. Now you can plug it in and power it on. And like that, the flap on top will rise, revealing the fan. There's also a row of buttons on top that you can use to change settings. You can set it to fan mode, dehumidify, or cool. You can change the fan speed, set a timer, as well as adjust the temperature all the way down to a cool 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Then lastly, there's a sleep button as well as a wind direction button. You can turn this on and have it constantly move the flap up and down to move the air around more. Then you can press it again to keep the flap in that direction. This one is our biggest unit. It can cool 700 square feet, so we placed it in our living room, and it keeps that room and even our kitchen nice and cool. After you've had the chance to use this for a bit, you'll have to empty the water tank by opening the water plug in the back. But thankfully, it's portable and can be rolled around. Now all of our main living areas have a nice portable AC unit. They're all energy efficient, and our house feels like it has central air, with every room being cool. So I couldn't be happier. Not to mention, our cold temperature loving huskies are enjoying napping in front of this AC. It feels so nice on a hot day. And this AC is energy efficient. When the room reaches the desired temperature, it shuts off and waits until you need it again, saving you on your electricity. Needless to say, I've been loving this air conditioner. It looks professional, like something you'd see in an office building or a local business. Our area gets really hot and humid, but that dehumidifier and cooling feature feels great. I like how it has a front reading display, so you don't have to stand up to see your settings, and that I can roll it around to aim the air exactly where I want it. The only downside that I see so far is that moving flap on top. I like being able to adjust the airflow, but our cats also like sitting on top of the AC unit, so I'm kind of worried that our cats may jump up onto the flap and break it. But it seems pretty durable, so maybe we'll be fine. But all in all, I couldn't be happier. So if you're looking for an awesome new air conditioner that will cool your area as well, this one from Joy Pebble might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax in my perfect temperature living room. See ya.